Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best Eucerin Skincare is probably one of the most trusted names in skincare, and for good reason. With over a century of experience, Eucerin has consistently delivered products designed with sensitive skin in mind. From everyday moisturizers to solutions for specific skin conditions, Eucerin offers a wide range of options, all formulated with safety and effectiveness as top priorities. Today, we're diving deep into what makes Eucerin a go-to choice for so many. Number 5. Eucerin Advanced Repair Body Lotion. Are you tired of dry skin? This lotion provides 48-hour moisture, repairing and fighting dryness at its source. It keeps your skin hydrated all day long. The convenient pump bottle makes application easy. You can apply it anytime, anywhere. It's designed for your convenience. This Eucerin lotion is enriched with ceramide, 3 and natural moisturizing factors. These ingredients boost moisture and help prevent dryness. It's formulated to keep your skin healthy. This lotion is paraben-free, fragrance-free, and dye-free. It's also lightweight, fast-absorbing, and non-greasy. It's gentle on your skin. You'll receive one 16.9 fluid ounce bottle of this unscented lotion. It's the perfect size for daily use. Get yours today and experience the difference. What we like. This lotion provides long-lasting hydration, keeping your skin moisturized for up to 2 days. It's enriched with ceramides and natural moisturizing factors, which help to prevent dryness. If you have very dry skin and need a reliable, all-day moisturizer, you should consider this. What people say. Eucerin cream has a thick, soothing texture that works wonders on dry and sensitive skin. It hydrates deeply without feeling heavy. Formulated with ceramides, it really helps to hydrate and repair dry skin. I appreciate that it's unscented, making it suitable for sensitive skin. It absorbs well and leaves my skin feeling soft and moisturized. This won't clog pores, so no facial pimples. No scent and doesn't stain clothes. Number 4. Eucerin Intensive Repair Body Lotion. Are you struggling with dry skin? This lotion from Eucerin immediately restores your skin's radiance. It provides 24-hour hydration, keeping your skin moisturized all day long. This body moisturizer features a unique 3-dimensional system. It moisturizes, exfoliates, and conditions very dry and flaky skin. It's designed to provide comprehensive care for your skin. This unscented lotion is formulated without parabens, fragrances, and dyes. It's gentle enough for sensitive skin and can be used daily. It's a great choice for repairing very dry skin. The Eucerin body lotion comes in a convenient pump bottle. This makes it simple to apply anytime, anywhere. Just pump and apply for instant relief. Each bottle contains 16.9 fluid ounces of this effective lotion. It's a great value and will keep your skin feeling soft and hydrated. Try it today and feel the difference. What we like. This product offers immediate hydration and works to restore your skin's radiance. Its unique formula moisturizes, exfoliates, and conditions very dry skin. If you are looking for a lotion that not only hydrates but also helps to improve the texture of your skin, you should consider this. What people say. It keeps my skin well hydrated and soothes irritation quickly. It really locks in moisture and keeps my skin feeling soft and comfortable throughout the day. The flakiness subsided in a week and the itch only occurs on my back where I can't reach to apply it. Number 3. Eucerin Eczema Relief Body Cream 8 ounces. This Eucerin cream provides 24-hour hydration. It is formulated with colloidal oatmeal, ceramide, 3, and licorice root extract to help soothe and moisturize the skin. The cream is fast-absorbing and free of fragrance, dyes, and steroids. This makes it gentle enough for sensitive skin and helps to avoid potential irritants. This product is suitable for adults, children, and babies 3 months and older. It is a versatile solution for the whole family's eczema care needs. In a clinical study, with daily use, 4 out of 5 children remained flare-free for 6 months. Using it regularly can help manage and prevent eczema flare-ups. Eucerin is the #1 best-selling eczema relief brand. You can trust this product to provide effective relief and care for your eczema-prone skin. Each package includes one 8-ounce tube of the Eucerin Eczema Relief Body Cream. It's a convenient size for daily use and travel. What we like. This cream is specifically designed to provide relief for eczema-prone skin, offering 24-hour hydration. It is formulated with colloidal oatmeal and ceramide, 3. If you have eczema or sensitive skin and need a gentle, effective moisturizer, you should consider this. What people say. Eucerin products are the only ones that have ever worked for me. This product is amazing for dry skin. This lotion is the best for dry skin. Number 2. Eucerin Advanced Repair Body Cream 16 ounces. Are you tired of dry skin? This cream provides 48-hour moisture, keeping your skin hydrated and healthy looking. It works to keep your skin moisturized all day long. This body cream is enriched with ceramides, 3 and natural moisturizing factors. These ingredients help to repair and hydrate dry skin. It's designed to give your skin the care it deserves. The lightweight formula absorbs quickly, leaving your skin feeling smooth. It doesn't feel heavy or greasy, just soft and refreshed. You'll love how it feels on your skin. This moisturizer is fragrance-free and free of dyes and parabens. It's gentle enough for daily use, even on sensitive skin. It's a great choice for anyone looking for a gentle, effective moisturizer. You'll receive one 16-ounce jar of Eucerin Advanced Repair Body Cream. It's the perfect size for daily use, and it will keep your skin feeling its best. Get yours today and experience the difference. What we like. This cream provides intense, long-lasting moisture, keeping your skin hydrated for up to 2 days. Its fast-absorbing formula is enriched with ceramides and natural moisturizing factors. If you like a rich, yet non-greasy cream that absorbs quickly, you should consider this. What people say. It absolutely worked wonders as it's so moisturizing and absorbed quite well into the skin, making it so soft and hydrated, and noticed a huge difference within just 1 week. My skin transformed and no more dryness or flakes. Also, it's non-scented and dermatologist recommended with some beneficial ingredients as well, and it's not too thick in between a cream and lotion. It's thick and moisturizing without feeling heavy, and it's so helpful to my skin while living in a dry climate. The bottle is sturdy so the lotion stays good quality and doesn't make a mess. The lotion is very effective and helps to make skin look and feel smooth. The lotion texture is smooth and doesn't leave skin looking greasy after application. Another plus is it is scent-free, so perfect for sensitive skin. Number 1. Eucerin Q10 Anti-Wrinkle Face Cream. Are you looking for a way to diminish the appearance of wrinkles? This cream can help. Using it twice daily, you may see results in as little as 5 weeks. This product is designed with sensitive skin in mind. It is free of fragrance, alcohol, and dyes, making it gentle on your skin. You can use it alone or under makeup. This face cream is packed with beneficial ingredients. It contains vitamin E, beta-carotene, and coenzyme Q10 to nourish your skin. These ingredients work together to provide the best results. This non-comedogenic cream is gentle on the skin. It is designed to be non-irritating, so it won't cause any discomfort. It is perfect for everyday use. Each package includes a 1.7-ounce jar of this effective anti-wrinkle cream. It is the perfect size for your daily skincare routine. Try it today and see the difference it makes. What we like. This face cream helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles in just a few weeks. It's enriched with Q10, vitamin E, and beta-carotene. If you are looking for a gentle, effective anti-wrinkle cream, you should consider this. What people say. It has made my skin appearance more radiant. After 4 weeks of consistent use, I see a difference. My skin is soft and smooth, perfectly moisturized and glowing. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.